Alright, so not too long ago, we welded my brother's BMW M5 competition X-pipe, dual X-pipe I should say, on his vehicle, and this was his first time getting like deep down into welding because he thought it was so easy. And once he saw me kind of struggling with some of the Tig Welds, he tried it himself. He realized it's not so easy and it's a very intricate skill set to have. And he's like, man, I want a welder, I want a welder. Well, today's his lucky day because we're going to his house right now, and it was just his birthday, and we're gonna surprise him with a multi-process welder. And you can look at you see how the heat input is. You see that, you see the rainbow effect on it.
Yeah.
Right. If it's way too much, you're using way too much heat too. And it's the colors that make the
fucking Bully Kid Garage over here making shit happen.
Bro, all I gotta say is thanks to my boy Chopper from.
Yes, thank you, Chopper, teaching you.
Homie took the time to teach me some of this, so I've been just grinding in YouTube. But man, I never thought I would be able to do this. We gotta throw in my Turbo Civic exhaust we built one time.
Yeah.
I mean, I welded everything first time myself, so I'm just taking what I know and helping my brother out, and hopefully this thing sounds sick.
Yeah, like all the time I keep telling him like, oh, I need you to weld something for me, and I'm thinking it's so easy. You just come in here, pa pa pa, and you're done. No, this is so much technical science. Like you're messing with your foot pedal. He's feeding the wire in like argon. It is the voltage.
You're using so much manual input into this.
Yeah,
it's
guys.
Definitely a skill set, right? Like painting, freaking welding. It's such a skill set, man.
Yeah. So guys, don't take your welders for granted. Like I thought this was gonna be an easy, freaking quick boom boom, thinking like it's Velasquez muffler, but no, this is a lot of work, and hopefully it's gonna sound good, and that's it.
Well, as long as we don't burn through. I mean,
yeah,
we didn't burn through the stick.
Yeah, we didn't burn. He didn't burn through the stick, so that was the hardest part. Yeah. So this is already looking beautiful.
Here I can control it. So yeah. I think we'll be good, man.
Yes.
Hey, are you outside, man?
Yeah, I'm in the back.
Yeah, come by the alley. There's that BMW M5 that we worked on. This thing sounds amazing with the dual X-pipe. It opened it up. It actually sounds way more higher pitched, whereas before it had a kind of like a Subaru WRX rumble. So now it cleaned up that sound and it sounds way more exotic. Check your boy out. Hit me up for custom welding. LOL. Yo, Bullet's Garage in the house, man.
How you doing, brother?
Yo, you know how we were welding the exhaust not too long ago?
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, well, I know you said you were interested in welding. We got you something.
ANDELI.
ANDELI.
Do you have any of these brands?
I don't have an ANDELI, but
don't mind my tattoo. This is from another sponsor.
What is that?
It's gonna become a tattoo in
No,
2 days.
I thought you were just fried from the tanning for a second.
Nah. That's another sponsor, you know.
Man.
Sponsors coming in clutch.
All these sponsors coming in.
Hey, a box
Yeah,
within a box.
I kind of busted. I should have never said it's a welder from the get-go. It's supposed to be a surprise. Oh, yeah, I think it's upside down.
Thank God it's garbage day tomorrow.
I gotta even take a look at myself. So this is the ANDELI
Representing Polish colors right here.
MCT-416. All right, well.
So 110 and 220. All I need is MIG. MIG that sucker.
MIG or TIG? Well, here you got MIG, you got TIG, you got stick, and you got torch, the cutting
Like
torch.
a plasma
cutter, right? So
that's badass.
So I mean, we'll have to unbox it and take a look at it, but yeah, you see, you got high frequency TIG. It means that it
Pulses?
before you would have to touch the tungsten, and then it arcs and starts. High frequency is instant, right?
You don't even have that.
No, I have high frequency TIG.
Why don't you turn that on yours?
No, mine isn't. Once you touch the pedal, it turns on,
okay,
right?
yeah.
This might not have a pedal. You might have a finger trigger, but I'm sure you can add a pedal in here somewhere. But yeah, I mean, let's just unbox it, see what's inside, and go from there. And you got your whole crew here.
All right.
Oh, it's pretty small.
Nice and compact. Oh, way compact.
Oh yeah,
Not like yours. Your thing is a monster.
that's what I'm saying.
This is perfect for my little garage that has no room.
Right. And it's a 240. I'm surprised this thing goes up to 240 volts. What else we got in there? Nice packaging.
Yeah, all the supplies we got right here.
Wow, that's it right there. So yeah, MIG is, you know, it's
feeds the wire.
Yeah, it feeds the wire, but you need gas for that, right? Like you might need argon and something else to run a MIG, right?
Cutting torch. That's badass.
Yeah, plasma cutter. You got a TIG torch. This is the stick welding, right? You're gonna get a couple of consumables, right? Gas hoses, TIG parts, ground clamp. Yeah.
Oil water separator. What is that for?
I don't know, maybe the gas? Yeah, so those are the consumables. So you see, this is for the tungsten. You got different cups, right? So depending what you're welding, how much gas coverage you need. The bottom ones look like MIG. You see, these bottom ones are MIG. And then this is like a roller. You see this roller right here? So
Yeah,
depending on your
wire.
depending what wire size you're running, you're gonna have to flip it one way or another. So these are consumables. This is your TIG.
That's the trigger.
That's the trigger, right? So yeah. Oh, that's actually a nice stubby. You see how see how stubby it is? But the tungsten would have to be short. But it's actually nice because it's protective, like kind of wrapped.
Yeah.
So that's actually pretty nice. That, I'm not sure what that is.
Might be like the line feeder.
No, usually it's. There might be some kind of gas line.
Oh, the MIG.
Yeah, this is the MIG gun right here. I mean, it came with all your parts too, so you can swap it out. Comes with some tools there to swap out the tips.
This is a plasma cutter?
Yeah.
Oh, that's gangster.
Plasma cutter.
I'm sick and tired of using a grinder to cut through stuff.
Right, but you'll have to figure out how to use this, because I know you need an air compressor as well. You need air pressure plus this, and that's what does the plasma cutting. So this is this connects to your argon, right? This is your argon.
Ground strap.
Yeah, ground strap. Ground strap's not bad. It's pretty short, but I think
Not as thick as yours.
not as thick. Yeah, but this is the for the stick welding right here.
Yeah.
Obviously, a little more compact.
For the argon filter.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Yeah,
Actually,
it has to be.
Actually, this might even be for this might be for the torch cutter. Okay. You know, so the air, so the compressed air is in water in here, so it's probably gonna filter. So you're still missing like a couple things to get set up. Like for TIG welding, you'll need like the regulator that you connect to the tank. You know, to connect that, and then you connect that hose. But
I'm gonna need a new compressor because my compressor is so old and tiny.
Yeah, well, if any sponsors want to hook my boy up for a compressor, but I mean all your basic stuff. I mean, this is multi-processor, bro.
Awesome.
As you can, all you really need is like your MIG or your TIG, and obviously this is all digital. I mean, dude, this is tiny. Like pick that up, bro. Like that thing is. How much do you think that thing weighs, man? 20 pounds?
30 pounds.
30 pounds. Just plug it in. I just want to take a look at the options in the menu right here.
Is this? I gotta
Well,
convert it.
there's an adapter, yeah. So,
I don't have.
but that's what I'm saying. Like it's crazy. This little thing can run on 240.
All right, Mark. I need a 240 adapter.
Yeah, right.
Shut up, Mark. Let's hopefully not blow a fuse.
All right.
Ready?
So, oh, is that where you turn it on? Yeah, I mean, we'll have an updated video for you guys. This is just the unboxing, but we're gonna run through this machine and set everything up. Manual, pulse. Oh, so here you.
Yeah.
So this is stick welding. MMA is stick welding, and then your amperage is here. So like that small rod we were using, the max was like 40, right? Yeah. If you use a bigger rod, you can go to like 60.
That's cool though. This lights up too.
Yeah, that little.
How much power you're giving it.
Yeah. Again, if you're running on 120, it'll limit you how much amps you can have, right? But look, there's like
anti-stick, arc force.
And I don't know what all this is, but you'll have to experiment with the settings. But yeah, that's MMA. This is plasma cut. So plasma cut again, you're gonna have to experiment.
You gotta read the owner's manual.
You gotta read the owner's manual. This is the TIG. So TIG's awesome because all your fine cutting or fine welding, small detail, TIG welding. And if you exhaust pipe is like 50, 60, right? I mean, if this can go 120, you can still do a good amount, you know, of TIG welding, and that's the cleanest. And again, you might even be able to pulse. I don't know if you might be pulsing it or not. I don't know. So yeah, so synergy is like it automatically calculates the voltage, like, you know, that's wire feed, because the wire feed, the MIG, you have to have a calculation of how fast the wire comes out and the voltage. So synergy, I think, is like automatically calculates your best thing based on something. 2T and 4T is also important because 2T might be start and stop. Like let's say you're TIG welding, right? Let's say you're TIG welding. 2T might be just on and off, right? Like you press it, it turns on, and it turns off. 4T, it has like the slope. It turns on, it ramps in the amperage, and then later when you press it again, it ramps it down. So those are different settings. Obviously, yeah, I mean, well, let's open the side. There has to be a side. Yeah, because see, this is for the MIG, right? So you could put the big spool of wire.
Spool? I don't have any wire.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
I have to provide my own wire.
You have to buy your own wire.
What about my helmet? Did you provide that for me?
No, buddy. This is.
Man.
You can always borrow my helmet if you want.
Okay.
But yeah, I mean, here you could put flux wire. Yeah. If you put flux core wire, it runs almost like a stick welder. It's covered in the protective coating, right? But if you want to run real MIG, you would need to connect it to
gasless. It shows you where to connect.
Oh yeah, cool. Yeah, it tells you. Yeah, because different settings, positive and negative, run differently. But yeah, here you would put this. Here you undo it, and then you would feed the wire. You see, you already have like two different kind of lengths. Yeah, you would feed the wire through here, and then yeah, that's it.
Nice, man. Thank you.
So I mean,
Appreciate it.
for an entry level welder, I mean, you could get a lot done here. You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
Well, that's the unboxing of the ANDELI welder. This is again the MCT-416P multi-processor unit. Comes with a lot of supplies. Pretty lightweight and small for all your home hobby projects. So I hope you like it, and I hope you start welding.
I think I'm gonna go sleep with this guy.
And get familiar with it. Yeah, let's do a thumbnail right here.
Shit.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.